Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about the features of FreeBSD. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Features of FreeBSD. FreeBSD is a Unix-like operating system known for its performance, scalability, and advanced features. Here are some of the key features of FreeBSD. Number 1. Advanced file systems. FreeBSD supports several advanced file systems including UFS, Unix file system, and ZFS, zettabyte file system. ZFS in particular is known for its data integrity features like checksumming, snapshots, and copy on write. Number 2, networking capabilities. FreeBSD is renowned for its networking capabilities. It offers high-performance networking stacks and support for various network protocols, making it ideal for use in networking equipment, servers, and high-throughput applications. Number 3, security features. FreeBSD places a strong emphasis on security. Features like jails, containerization, mandatory access control or MAC, through MAC framework, and the common criteria or CCC security certification make it a secure choice for various applications. Number 4, scalability and reliability. FreeBSD is known for its scalability and reliability, making it a popular choice for servers and critical infrastructure. It has a reputation for uptime and robustness. Number 5, package management. FreeBSD offers a package management system known as PKG that simplifies software installation, updates, and dependency management. It provides access to a vast repository of pre-compiled software packages. Number 6, port collection. FreeBSD's port collection allows users to compile and install software directly from source code. It provides flexibility and customization options for software installation. Number 7, jails. Jails are a form of OS-level virtualization that allows you to partition a FreeBSD system into multiple isolation environments. This feature is useful for creating secure sandboxes for applications. Number 8, virtualization support. FreeBSD supports various virtualization technologies including Beehive, a lightweight hypervisor, VirtualBox, and Linux containers through compatibility layers. Number 9, performance tuning. FreeBSD offers extensive performance tuning options, allowing administrators to optimize the system for their specific use cases and hardware configurations. 10. Support for hardware. FreeBSD has a strong track record for supporting a wide range of hardware platforms including x86, ARM, MIPS, and more. It also has an excellent support for networking interfaces and strong controllers. Number 11, documentation. FreeBSD is well known, documented with comprehensive main pages, handbooks, and community contributed guides. This makes it easier for users to learn and troubleshoot issues. Number 12, licensing. FreeBSD uses a permissive open source license, the FreeBSD license, which allows for maximum flexibility in using, modifying, and distributing the OS and its components. Number 13, community and development. FreeBSD has an active and dedicated community of developers and users who contribute to its development and provide support through mailing lists, forums, and other channels. 14, compatibility. FreeBSD maintains compatibility layers for running Linux binaries and applications, making it possible to run Linux software on FreeBSD. 15, wide range of use cases. FreeBSD is versatile and can be used in a variety of scenarios, including web servers, network appliances, desktop systems, embedded systems, and scientific computing. These features make FreeBSD a robust and flexible operating system that is well suited for both server and desktop environments, as well as specialized applications that require high performance, security, and scalability. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on features of FreeBSD operating system. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.